committee members, Zafran, Thoyyib, Shaafa, and Zalissya. Let's watch the making of natural soap using used cooking oil. We recycle used cooking oil and turn it into a soap. Used cooking oil can pollute the environment if it is thrown away. This is the recipe we prepared for our experiments. For safety, we wear gloves and safety glasses while handling natural hydroxide. Natrium hydroxide is mixed with water to make an alkali solution. This reaction produces heat, so the solution becomes hot. The solution is left to cool before it is used. The used cooking oil is filtered to remove food particles. The ingredients are measured using a digital scale. Small amounts of coconut oil and olive oil are added to improve the soap quality. The oils are mixed with the alkali solution. The mixture is stirred until it becomes thicker. This stage is called trace. The mixture is poured into a mold. Patterns can be created on the soap surface. The reaction between oil and alkali slowly forms soap. After about 1 day, the soap becomes solid. The soap can now be removed from the mold. The soap is cut into smaller pieces. These soaps are made from recycled cooking oil. Recycling used cooking oil helps reduce waste and protect the environment. Thank you.